Define geothermal. Do you know what is geothermal? The word geothermal comes from the Greek word geo, which is earth, and therm, which is heat. Geothermal energy is the heat from the earth. Its source lies 6,500 km beneath the earth's surface, core containing hot magma. Surrounding the core is the mantle, and outer layer is the crust. The crust is not a solid shell, but it is broken into pieces called plates. Magma comes close to Earth's surface near the edge of the plates. Rocks and water beneath the surface around this region absorb heat of this magma. We can dig well and can use this heat for various purposes.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Hafizuddin bin Abdul Halim. Today I will talk about type of geothermal power plant in my presentation. Type of geothermal. Do you know what is power plant? First type is dry steam plant. Dry steam plant use hydrothermal fluid that are primarily steam. Steam then travel directly to the turbine which drive the generator to produce electricity. From the generator, the electricity will be powered up by step-up transformer. Second type is the flash steam plant. Fluid at generator temperature is pumped under high pressure into a tank, cause the fluid to rapidly to vaporize or flash. The vapor then drive the turbine which drive the generator. Any remain liquid can be flashed again to extract more energy.
Hi, my name is Siti and Zarifah, and this is my matric number, and I will present about advantage and disadvantage of geothermal. Thank you. What the advantage and disadvantage? Let's take a look. Okay, advantage. First is significant cost saving. Geothermal energy generally involves low running costs since it saves 80% cost over fossil fuels and no fuel is used to generate the power. Second is no pollution. Does not create any pollution and help in creating clean environment. Being the renewable source of energy, geothermal energy has helped in reducing global warming and pollution. Okay, for the disadvantage, first is not widespread source of energy. Since this type of energy is not widely used, therefore the unavailability of equipment, staff, infrastructure, training pose hindrance to the installation of geothermal plants across the globe. Second is high installation cost. Requires installation of power plants to get steam from deep within the earth, and this required huge one-time investment and required to hire a certificate installer, and skilled staff needs to be recruited and relocated to planned location.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfarahin from Adhar. This is my matric number. Today I'm going to talk about the successful of stories.
Example of successful stories. Philippines. The geothermal energy industry in the Philippines is quite a hard one. In fact, it is the largest producer of geothermal power in all of Asia Pacific. The country ranks second in the world in terms of geothermal energy production. Geothermal energy accounts for a major share in the electricity generating technology for Philippines. In the coming times ahead, the generation of geothermal energy is set to increase to over 12,000 GWh in 2022. Indonesia. Indonesia geothermal resources are among the largest in the world, with 299 geothermal locations and a total potential of 28,807 MW, or around 40% of the total geothermal resources worldwide, according to a September 2014 press release from Indonesia Directorate General of Geothermal. Next, in order to utilize this enormous energy potential, the government of Indonesia has intensified its effort to encourage geothermal power development. Some background to the regulatory climate will put these developments in perspective.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Zulfan. Adenan. Today I want to present about the comparison between geothermal and electrical technology. Do you know the comparison between geothermal and electrical technology? The comparison is some of the components used in geothermal are transformer. A transformer that increases voltage from primary to secondary is called a step-up transformer. Conversely, a transformer designed to do just the opposite is called step-down transformer. Transformer that they use in geothermal are step-up transformer. Besides that, the other component that they use in geothermal are generator. A generator is a device that converts mechanical energy to electrical energy for use in an external circuit. These components are related to our study in Electrical Technology Chapter 4, where they teach the overall function of transformer. We had learned that the kinetic energy from the turbine will generate power electrical energy to the generator. In the generator, the transformer will act to control the energy.
Hello, my name is Haiqal Hakim bin Sahrom. I'm going to present about conclusion. Alright, the conclusion is geothermal heating system can replace fossil fuel heating system in a particular area. Annual cost for common heating purpose can be reduced by more than 60%, and the continued energy shortage have created added interest in geothermal energy for power generation. The potential exists to provide all energy requirement in the US. Geothermal energy appears to be a partial solution to our energy needs. Alright, thank you, Thomas.